Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy IOTEX tokens on Coinbase. So for the first step we have to log into our Coinbase account, and after that you can click on the middle option on the right top corner. We will click on buy and sell. Now we can select the purchase frequency. It's selected on a one-time purchase, but if you would like to purchase these coins repeatedly, then just select a option which suits for you. After that, we can fill in the amount of fiat we would like to use, the amount of cash, and then we select Bitcoin to select the asset we are going to buy. As I told you, we are going to buy IOTEX. Tick it in the search bar and there will be the coin. Click on it. Now you have selected the token and we now have selected our payment method to buy these coins. I have selected my Euro wallet, as you can see, but if you use another payment method, just click on it and select the payment method you would like to use for this purchase. If you don't see any available options, make sure you have verified your Coinbase account, and after that you can click on add a payment method to add one of these payment methods to your list. Select it and after that click on review order. Now they will show us some information about the purchase we are going to make. As you can see, we are purchasing €2 of IOTEX and we don't pay any fees because we have a Coinbase One subscription and then the fees are free. In total we are spending €2 and after that you can select a weekly investment to buy these coins for the amount of €2 every week. You can cancel it at any time. And after that, you can click on buy now to add these tokens to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.